Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button for me. Now that that's out the way, tonight I'll be harvesting the pollen from this here dragon fruit. This is another Mr. Wu. This is a Mr. Wu that I pollinated about 5 days ago, right here in the back, right here, right there. And it seemed that it has taken the pollen, so that's a good thing. So now I'm going to harvest this pollen so that I can pollinate other dragon fruits that are flowering around the same time. So this is a self-sterile, so it needs pollen from another plant in order to produce fruit. And so I would take this pollen and put it into another self-sterile in order for that plant to take the pollen and produce fruit. So most of the dragon fruits here have to be cross-pollinated.
All right, so now that that's out the way, I'm going to collect this pollen.
Right. Now that that's out the way, I have a brand new variety. I have waited actually 3 years to taste this fruit. Hopefully the pollen that I pollinated it with will have the fruit to set. And I waited 3 years. This is the Orahona. I bought this cutting 3 years ago. It was about this small. So now I'm going to take you over to see that plant. So that is the Orahona. And this is now 3 years later that I'm seeing the first fruit, potentially the first fruits. I've already pollinated the flower and hopefully it will set fruit. So this is the Orahona. This is going to be a brand new variety for me. So far, it's only given me one flower. All right, as you can see, it was very hot out today, so I had to pop the umbrellas up to protect the dragon fruit from sunburn. All right, you guys know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video.